Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the recent news that the government has approved production linked incentive scheme for auto industry and drone industry with a budgetary outlay of 26,058 crore to enhance India's manufacturing capabilities. It is a step forward towards the vision of an Atmanirbhar Bharat. The PLI scheme for the auto sector will incentivize high value advanced automotive technology vehicles and products. It will start a new age in higher technology, more efficient and green automotive manufacturing. The PLI scheme for the auto sector will going to overcome the cost disabilities to the industry for manufacture of advanced automotive technology products in India. The incentive structure will encourage industry to make fresh investments for indigenous global supply chain of advanced automotive technology products. It is estimated that over a period of 5 years, the PLI scheme for automobile and auto components industry will lead to fresh investment over 42,500 crore, incremental production of over 2.3 lakh crore, and will create additional employment opportunities of over 7.5 lakhs jobs. Further, this will increase India's share in global automotive trade. The PLI scheme for auto sector is open to existing automotive companies as well as new investors. The scheme has two components: Champion OEM Incentive Scheme and Component Champion Incentive Scheme. The Champion OEM Incentive Scheme is a sales value linked scheme and will be applicable on battery electric vehicles and hydrogen fuel cell vehicles of all segments. The Component Champion Incentive Scheme is a sales value linked scheme and will be applicable on advanced automotive technology components of vehicles, completely knocked down, semi knocked down kits, vehicle aggregates of two-wheeler, three-wheeler, passenger vehicles, commercial vehicles and tractors, etc. This PLI scheme for automotive sector along with the already launched PLI scheme for advanced chemistry cell ACC worth 18,100 crore and faster adoption of manufacturing of electric vehicles FAME scheme worth 10,000 crore will enable India to leapfrog from traditional fossil fuel based automobile transportation system to environmentally cleaner, sustainable, advanced and more efficient electric vehicles based system. The PLI scheme for the drones and drone component industry addresses the strategic, tactical and operational uses of this revolutionary technology. A product specific PLI scheme for drones with clear revenue targets and focus on domestic value addition is key to building capacity and making these key drivers of India's growth strategy. The PLI for drones and drone components industry will over a period of 3 years lead to investments worth 5,000 crore, increase in eligible sales of 1,500 crore and create additional employment of about 10,000 jobs. PLI scheme for automobile industry and drone industry is part of the overall announcement of PLI schemes for 13 sectors made earlier during the Union Budget 2021-22 with an outlay of 1.97 lakh crore. With the announcement of PLI schemes for 13 sectors, minimum additional production in India is expected to be around 37.5 lakh crore over 5 years and minimum expected additional employment over 5 years is nearly 1 crore. So we can say that the PLI auto scheme will incentivize emergence of advanced automotive technologies global supply chain in India. It will help create additional employment of over 7.6 lakh people. Incentives worth 26,058 crore will be provided to industry over 5 years. The PLI scheme for auto sector will bring fresh investments of over 42,500 crore in 5 years and incremental production of over 2.3 lakh crore. The PLI scheme for drones will bring fresh investments of over 5,000 crore in 3 years and incremental production of over 1,500 crore. The PLI scheme for automotive sector along with the already launched PLI for ACC and FAME scheme will give a big boost to manufacturing of electric vehicles. It will enable India to leapfrog to environmentally cleaner electric vehicles and hydrogen fuel cell vehicles. Please like, comment and share this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.